What's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I talk about men's fashion and vintage fashion. So yesterday I organized my wardrobe after months and months and months and months and months. Yesterday was a long afternoon and I did it because my wardrobe was exploding, literally exploding, and also because summer is coming, so I had to switch my winter wardrobe to my summer wardrobe and take all my shirts and button downs and shirts into my wardrobe. So I had to switch all my clothing. So yesterday I thought that today I will show you how to make your vintage wardrobe. So to make your vintage wardrobe, the first thing that comes to my mind is to steal from your parents' wardrobe. Now I'm kidding, not steal, but like ask your parents if they have some old pieces or old stuff that they don't wear anymore and to give it to you if you have the same size as your parents. Like luckily I have the same size as my father's, so I had some items that are from my father's wardrobe. The second step to do your vintage wardrobe is to do some decluttering or organize your wardrobe, as I did it yesterday, because maybe you probably have already some old pieces in your wardrobe and you have to declutter the pieces that you don't wear anymore or that are not your style, so that you can donate it or sell it. And also organize your wardrobe so that you will know which clothes do you have and which clothes do you want to have in the future. So guys, this is all the trash I've thrown yesterday. Like, it's not thrown, I will donate it of course, but this is all. And the third step to make your vintage wardrobe is to go and thrift. Go to your flower market or thrift store that you have near you or in your town, so that you can go and thrift some old pieces that you want and some pieces that have your style. You must have patience so that you can find your gems, because in the thrift you never know when you can find a good piece that you really want, so you have to have patience and time to search for the gems that you want to have. Another option that is valid is going online in stores like the Pop, Etsy and eBay to search for vintage pieces, because here in these sites there are many vintage pieces that you can find from different decades like 70s, 80s, 90s, 50s. Guys, let's start with the jacket section. Those are all my jackets and I have also some here. So what I did is that here there are all my windbreakers, my 80s and 90s windbreakers that I thrifted, all here. Here all my overcoats and elegant coats, fur coats, leather jackets and bomber jackets. And here there are other leather jackets and winter jackets. So here there are all my suits, yes, all in color order. So there is from white, black, gray, blue, green, brown and red. And here I have all my ties, bow ties and suspenders. And here there is all my winter clothing, so all my sweaters, my thrifted sweaters are here, but the traditional clothing is here. So this is the last part of my wardrobe. Here there are all my summer button downs. Yes, they are all patterned, and yes, the blue ones, Ankara ones. And here there are all my vests. Here there are all my pants and trousers, jeans, black, beige, white, red. Yes, I have all the colors. And patterned corduroy. Here there are all my long sleeve button down shirts here, as you can see. And here there are some like button downs, some more button downs here. Yes, also those are mostly thrifted. And here I have all my shirts for the summer and other button down. And over there are all my pajamas. And yes, this is, and the last and the most important step is inspiration. So you have to create your mood board and find some inspiration from online or books or arts or movies or music, etc., so that you can find which style do you relate to, and you can find which pieces do you really want. And so you can find inspiration on Instagram, on YouTube, on movies, magazine, art, movies, and other sources. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will know when I put my next video, and I will see you very soon, guys. Bye.